welcome back, guys. So happy Sunday. So unfortunately, I tried to measure this and on my powder room sink. Unfortunately, it is too big. I guess I have to go back and exchange it for the one that is like a one piece, not like a three separate piece. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys on how to install the washer and some kind of setting for this spot shield. This one is for the Delta Valdosta, okay? Or some kind of similar to this Water Sense brand. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys real quick on how to do that. In order to take apart the handle from the setting, you need to unscrew the top section right here, from the knob right here, okay? Make sure you just unscrew it. And just do it slowly and straight up. You don't want to cross-thread the thread on the base right here, okay? So unscrew it all the way, and all you do is just pop it up, okay? And when you put it back, make sure you put it in correctly, the seating and everything right here. So what you need to do is just as you can see, it's all kind of scratched up. So I'm not sure if the manufacturer did that or what's going on. But anyway, you got the lifetime warranty from Delta anyway. Okay. So just use your wrench or plier to unscrew this. And then pop this up. And you can change the parts and the spring that's inside there. Alright. And that goes the same things on the other side. And all you do is just make sure you push down. And then do it clockwise. If it doesn't go in, you don't force it to go in, okay? Or else you're gonna cross-threading so make sure it's matching there's a flat right there. Make sure it's matching with this. And then just put it in. Make sure you turn it real quick. And then push in and screw it in. And that's that. That's how you install the spring and the setting for your hot and cold water side. Alright? Well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. And this is just a quick tutorial for you guys to learn before I return this. Alright? I'm going to exchange it for the one piece one. This is like a 3 separate piece, which is not compatible with my powder room. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video, and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on that bell for notification. And drop any other comments on below. Alright? And then there's a special tool that comes with it. Is to unscrew this. Not drain it, but the mesh. I forgot to mention that. Okay, this is that special tool in case you need to take this out to unclog the mesh. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.